PMI's Disciplined Agile knowledge base is the world's most extensive, curated collection of Agile and Lean practices. Containing over 2,000 options, it provides a wealth of choices to form a way of working that's fit for purpose and can evolve with experience. This flexibility is vastly superior to a single prescriptive framework. However, that robustness does have drawbacks. So many options, where do you start? Generally, as the number of choices increases, so does the effort to make decisions. Process Mentor staff has trained thousands of people and coached hundreds of teams using the knowledge base over the last decade. That experience has enabled us to identify the highest impact practices and techniques for common scenarios. For example, a team working on new enhancements is different than a team working on maintenance of the product, or infrastructure, marketing, operational support. We call these sets of high-impact practices quick starts. We've done all the heavy lifting to distill the thousands of options to a significantly smaller starter set. This workshop focuses on an immersive simulation utilizing our quick starts. You will learn how to make choices guided by the experience gleaned from the most experienced Disciplined Agile coaches in the world. The format is also quite different than your standard training course. The time allocated to theory is approximately 25%. The remaining 75% is in the simulation, where Disciplined Agile comes to life, and you experience its benefits versus just being told about what they might be.